Today we're at Midway School, home of the mighty Midway Tigers, and we're here to... All right, we're back with the students from Midway School. We've got 5th and 6th graders working on a word problem dealing with money, pennies, nickels, and dimes. They have a set amount. They need to figure out how many of each coin they have. It all must be the same. Let's see how they're doing.
So we would have to have 15 nickels and 15 pennies.
All right, so what are you guys coming up with?
Let's just write down
Any strategies yet?
Right now we're just we're trying to figure out how many.
Let's just work with different numbers to see if we can do like 6.
Because if you start with 10 pennies, you've got to have 10 nickels and 10 dimes, right? And you can just add it all up and see what it is, and then you can go from there, right? So that's a good strategy to start with, right? Start with one number, and then you go up or down from there. What are you guys trying right now?
We're trying to just get a bunch of numbers to see if they will work out.
Okay. So what are you starting with?
We're starting with 6.
Starting with 6. An excellent start. Go ahead and keep working on it. So if you have 6 pennies, you obviously know that's 6 cents, right? And you're going to have 6 nickels and 6 dimes. And then you just go ahead and keep working through all of that. You got an answer?
Yeah.
All right, good. Perfect timing. I just said how much time do we have? You guys are right on it. All right, kids have been working hard on this problem. Let's go ahead and see some of the answers that they've come up with and see if we have one answer or a lot of different answers. Last time we did a problem, you all came up with the same answer of 0. Is 0 going to be the answer here?
No.
It can't possibly be the answer, right? Because we're looking for the number of coins to make $1.44. So, did you guys all agree on an answer?
Yes.
Don't tell me yet. Did all of you agree on an answer?
Yes.
All right. Here's what I want. I want one representative from this group and one representative from this group to stand up. All right. Now we're going to have a little meeting. Come on over here. All right. Now, what was your answer? You need to let her know what your answer was.
9.
Your answer was 9 also? How did you come up with that answer?
We worked with different numbers to if it was lower or higher, we would go down. If it was higher, we would go down. If it was lower, we would go up until we had the right amount of each to get 144.
What did you start with?
We started with 6 and worked our way up to 9.
And what did you guys do?
The same as him, but we started with 8.
So you started with 8. So you started even a little closer, right? So so you only had to do it how many times?
A few.
A few times, right? So how many times after you started with yours did you go up to the exact number right away?
We skipped 7. We went up to 8, and then we did 6, 8, and then 9.
All right, well, let's take a look at some of your papers and see the process that you guys went through. Did anybody make a table or a chart or anything like that?
Additional problems.
So you did addition problems, all right? So you had the number, and then what did you have to do? You had to multiply,
Yeah.
right?
Multiplied.
And then you added up all of those, and then you got the answer of 144, right? So let's take a look at what you guys did. So you used 10 as a benchmark?
Because we knew that
Yeah.
would be over.
We saw 10 and then we were
it.
confused. We looked at 10 and
You're like,
they
well, that's too
decided
much, right?
we could go down from.
Okay, perfect.
Also, we wouldn't have been able to get 4 cents at the end.
Key right there, right? All right, nicely done. And what is the answer altogether on the count of three? 1, 2, 3? 9. 9. There. So all the kids playing at home, they're like, oh, I'm still working on it. Well, you guys gave me the answer now. The answer is 9. And once again, a big thanks to all of the students, both 5th and 6th grade students at Midway School.